Hey, what is going on, traders? Praise Mabs again. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Forex brokers, and you need to make your Forex broker your best friend. Okay. So, if you've traded in the Forex market before, or you're still trading now, you're currently trading, you may have heard of the term Forex broker a lot of times. However, as an individual trader, you may want to know what the Forex broker does and what they are. Okay. So, Forex brokers are individuals or companies that assist individual traders like you and me and companies that are trading in the Forex market. These individuals can give you the extra edge that you need in order to be successful in the Forex market. So, you need to have a broker. Although they'll be trading your funded trading account, all the decisions are still yours to make, okay, if you want to. Forex brokers are there to assist you with your trading exchange needs, and they will charge a small commission from whatever you earn. Okay, here are some of the services that a Forex broker can give you. Number one, a Forex broker can give you advice regarding the real time quotes. They can give you advice on what to buy and sell based on news feeds. Forex brokers can also trade your funded account, but if you want them to, it's your decision. A Forex broker can also provide you with software that helps you to decide in trading whether you're going to buy or sell. Okay. So, searching for a good Forex broker can prove to be a very, very tedious task since there are a lot of advertising on the internet about Forex brokers. Forex traders get confused as to which Forex broker they should hire. With all the Forex brokers out there that offer great Forex trading income and quotations, you'll find it very hard to choose a good and reputable Forex broker. With a little research, you can find the right Forex broker which can be trusted. If you lack referrals for Forex brokers, you can simply do a little research of your own. The first thing that you need to find out about a particular Forex broker is what is the amount of clients that they serve. The more clients they serve, the more chances that this broker can be trusted. You should also know the amount of trades that that broker is conducting. Okay, knowing the broker's experience in the forex market is a great way to determine if this is the right broker to use. Experienced forex brokers will increase your chances of earning money from the forex market. If you have questions or complaints, you should be able to call or email the broker and ask questions about their trading system. You should always be able to do this. Besides, they will be the ones managing your money, and it is your right to know what they're doing with your money. When choosing a forex broker, you should also consider their trading options. You should also understand that different forex brokers have different offers from one another. They differ in platforms, spreads, or leverage. You have to know which of the trading options is very important to you in order to be comfortable when you're trading in the forex market. Most online forex brokers offer potential clients with demo accounts. This will allow you to try out their trading platform without actually risking money. You should look for a demo platform that works like the real thing so that you can determine if you're comfortable with that trading platform. Look for features that you want in a trading platform in order to know what to expect if you trade with them. If you're comfortable with the trading platform, you should consider trading with them. And if you're not, scratch them off your list. This is a great way to test their trading platform at no risk to your money. If a forex broker is not willing to share financial information about their company, you shouldn't trade with them because they are reluctant to share company information. They should always answer your questions regarding how they manage their clients' money and how they trade that money. Always remember that if you see an offer that's too good to be true by forex traders, it's probably too good to be true. The forex market is a very risky place to trade, and forex brokers must tell you that there are certain risks involved when trading in the forex market. Avoid hiring a forex broker who says that trading is easy and a very good money making market with very low risks. This is a lie. These are the things that you need to consider when you look for a forex broker. If you find the right broker, you can be sure that you can really earn money.